So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can generate YouTube video ideas from ChatGPT. So first, you need to click on ChatGPT, and then you can type your title here. For example, now you need to click on. Now you need to type suggest me 5 more video ideas. Then it will automatically suggest you 5 more video ideas on the topic you added here, or the any niche you added here. So here we have 5 ideas on our topic uh, for Dubai mega projects. Now we have 5 main Dubai mega projects video ideas here.